I'm going to show you how to use the Weibull function in Excel. So here I've got a sheet already started where I've got velocities listed in this column, in column A, ranging from 0 to 25 meters per second. You notice I have 1 meter per second bins, therefore in this case. You could have half a meter per second, 2 meter per second, depends on what you're looking for. You could also use miles per hour. So I'm going to type in now the Weibull function, which if I start to spell it out, you'll see Excel starts to recognize what I'm trying to look for. Continue to type it in, and now it's asking for an x. X is the velocity in our case. So you're going to refer back to cell A2. Alpha, if you look in the help file, you'll find that this is the shape factor. And so we're just going to use a simple case of a Rayleigh distribution and needs a value of 2 there. That's what we usually know as k. Beta is what we know as lambda, and we're going to use a 7. And then it's asking whether we want a cumulative function or not. If we do, you do true, and typically we're not going to do that. We're going to do false because we are looking for the density function. Okay, so for 0 you're getting 0, but to copy this down, I'm just going to double click here, and you can see you get a whole range of values. If you were to sum this column, it should get pretty close to 1. If you've done it wrong and you've mixed up your alpha and your beta, you won't see all these numbers. You'll see only a few numbers in the first few columns, so you can test that out. And the other thing you can do is plot it and look at it, and it looks like what we are expecting as a Weibull curve.